फिर आने सारे प्लेटां लपेड़ियां
have 50 the 20.
Okay, so first we're gonna put salt. Put it all over the chicken.
दूसरे हाथ ना पाए तो हाथ ज़्यादा अड़के होता
And now we're gonna put garlic powder. Garlic powder. Put it everywhere. Put all of it in there. Next we're gonna put white pepper. So what we have here is some white pepper. And now we're gonna put it everywhere. Gonna take it out from the bowl. Put it. And next we have water. So we have some water. I'm gonna put it everywhere. When you have all the ingredients, you're going to mix all of the chicken with the ingredients. So you're gonna mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. And now what we're gonna do is put this on. Put it in there. Oh shit. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 egg into a large bowl. So this is what we're doing, is making the batter of the chicken. And now we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon salt. What we're also going to put is 1 stick garlic powder. So as you can see, the garlic powder. I'm gonna put all of it in. And now we're going to mix it quickly. Mix that. And all we're going to do is we're going to put 2 tablespoons baking powder. We're gonna put that in there. We're going to put 1/2 cup cornstarch. Gonna put that in there. What we're also gonna put is 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Put all that in here. And then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And all we're going to do is whisk until all of it isn't combined. So just keep whisking until all of it is combined. Okay, so I forgot this step, but you're gonna put 10 tablespoons of water, which is approximate to 1 cup of water. And you're just gonna continue mixing the batter until you get a mixture like this. It's not going to be lumpy though, it is going to be smooth. So finish mixing. So once you got your chicken out, you're going to take it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to mix it once more. Mix it one more time, the chicken. So coat it once more. Once you have your batter, you're going to take the chicken and put the chicken in. And you're gonna mix it all up with your hand. Look at this. Squishy, squishy batter.
इन्ना करीब करके नहीं पाई
अच्छा बच्चे पाई जाते
ਹੁਣ ਪਾਈ ਜਾ ਸਾਰੇ
इधर भी जिस ब्रांच खरीदा हुआ है already brown होना पे आवा.
So now we are going to make the sauce for the chicken. So first what we're going to have is 5 tablespoons of ketchup. So I'm going to do is just add this in with a spoon. There we go. Add all of it in with a spoon. So next we are going to put in is 4 tablespoons. Let me do this again. Next we are going to put in is 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of sugar. And next we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of honey. We're just gonna put the honey in there. So without the honey, there is no honey chicken. Just gonna put that in there. Use a spoon to help because honey is very, very sticky. Just drag it and put it in there. Next, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of water. Now what we're going to do is just mix all the ingredients together. So now we're gonna put in our sauce that we made earlier in a large pan. All the way in there. Now we're gonna do is put our chicken in the sauce. Put your chicken in. And you're gonna stir the chicken in the sauce till it's fully coated. So just continue with that.
Why should I be salt, please?